back here. You still have the hiccups? Okay. This is the actual life hack to get rid of hiccups. Hold on a second.
Open the water bottle.
Take the water. Stick your pinky in your ear.
Not too far.
No, twist it. Put the bottle in your mouth. Lean forward and drink it over the other side of the bottle, like this. Okay, drink. You got to actually drink. Okay, are you getting any? Okay, hold on. Are your hiccups gone?
Yeah. Can I pour this on your head? That was been the most funny punchline ever.
Yeah, well, you blew it. You should have just done it.
Pour it on your head.
Too late. Too late. This video's over. No, it's over. Are they really gone though? Are they really gone? It's magic. It's actual magic, people. You'll thank me later. How to get rid of the hiccups.